Hey, my name's Johnny Timmons with MarineMax in Houston, Texas, and today we're going to walk you through the 52 Carver Telesto. I'll start in the back of the boat. Hydraulic swim platform. We can hold up to 800-pound jet ski or tender or whatever you may so choose. And then working back this way, this is a great rope locker, storage, whatever you want to put, ice maker, freezer chest if you decide to travel. One of the things that makes this boat unique is this is one of the few boats that actually has a lower helm. So follow me and I'll walk you through the boat. Hey, we're in the VIP stateroom on this 52 Carver. In-suite head over to the port side. Nice queen mattress up here. We've got walk-in closets on both sides that open up. And behind this door here, we've got a nice TV entertainment system. I'm gonna let Sarah walk around and I'll spin right back behind y'all and catch y'all in the guest stateroom. Now I just slipped into the guest stateroom that's on the starboard side. These owners are currently using it as storage, but again, for kids, whatever else, or you do want to use it as a third stateroom, it makes for a great third stateroom if one would choose. Hey, it's Johnny again. Now we're down midship stateroom. This is the owner's suite on this 52 Carver. Queen size berth. It's not a tapered, it's a full queen. It's got an upgraded mattress on it. It's got a great settee over here on the port side. You've got another settee over on the starboard side, with double closets for all your storage and linens and all the other extras. Good storage, excuse me, back over here. And it's got a phenomenal head on the boat with a walk-in shower. Really makes for a fantastic owner suite on this boat. You could really travel on it, spend some time, and feel very, very comfortable for a week or a 2-week or even longer overnight trip. Hi, Johnny again. We're on that 52 Pilot House. Hey, now we're up here on the flybridge of the boat. This is what makes this boat this boat. Expansive space, all the right electronics, phenomenal helm chair. You've got a great entertaining area that's sitting back here. Let me pop this open for you real quick. If we wanted to, we could drop in a barbecue pit up here if that was important to you. One of the things that's unique about this boat is we just added this full enclosure. This is all brand new, just installed. And this boat's actually built with twin ACs for the flybridge. If you want to keep it hot, you want to keep it cold, it's great for the southern markets. We're completely climate controlled up here. Electronics, the same as we had downstairs, two 12-inch chart plotters, autopilot, Cummins joystick, and there's our yacht controller again if we want to operate the boat as a docking situation with the yacht controller. I really appreciate your time, taking it out of your day to come walk through this boat. Fantastic. Give me a call, 281-830-6336. The boat's located in Houston, Texas.